Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have the steel tongue drum. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. I'm also going to show you what this sounds like. First of all, this is a wonderful color, guys. It's like this really dark green. What a steel tongue drum is it has these tongues of steel cut out of the drum, and each one has a different note. This drum comes with a nice carrying bag, not a lot of them do, as well as a simple music book that can show you how to play some simple introductory songs. This is actually pretty convenient, guys. This is actually pretty convenient because it gets you started to learn how to play this drum. 2 finger mallets, extra stickers for the drum, and 2 mallets. So how you play this is you just take the mallet and then you simply take the mallet and then you just tap the notes. Okay. When I was researching to figure out which one of these I wanted to get, I ran into a bunch of different things online where people were saying certain things, maybe kind of unsure, but I decided to trust this one, and I'm glad I did because everything on this one is on point. It's tuned. Everything sounds great. This guy's, I'm going to play around to this. Just listen to what it sounds like. It sounds amazing. I'm going to try to hold it next to my microphone over here so you can hear it better. As you guys could hear, everything on this sounds on point. It sounds tuned, sounds awesome. It sounds really good, guys. And I'm really glad I didn't listen to what people were saying online and I actually tried it myself because I think you'll have the same experience as I do. And you know, I'm not a professional player of this instrument, and I don't think most of you are either. And here's the thing, you're getting this at a great price, and it sounds good. I listened to a bunch of different videos of ones that were like way higher priced, and maybe it's just my untrained brain, but this thing sounded great. Of course, it's not going to sound as great as one that's like 10 times or 50 times more, but you're paying for something that sounds amazing, guys. Like, to me, it just sounds really good. To me, it brings a lot of happiness into my house. It sounds really, really cool. My nieces and nephews love this thing. Anyone who sees this on the countertop wants to play with it, and it just brings a lot of happiness in that way. Because just seeing other people mess with it, just in your free time, if you have nothing else to do, this is just one of those great things to just sit around and play with. My favorite thing just has to be the fact of how good it sounds. It's just a really nice decoration as well. It looks great, guys. It's just a really nice green, dark green color. It sounds amazing. It sounds really great. You get this, start playing it, pretty soon you're gonna have some awesome melodies floating around your house. It's just I don't know. I can't really see anything better about this, guys. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.